Ever tried returning complex media from your AI tools, only to get tangled in manual conversions and nested data structures? You'll see exactly how FastMCP handles automatic media conversion, when it works seamlessly, when you need to step in manually, and the simple pattern to ensure your images, files, and mixed content always render correctly. No more guessing whether your image, object will display or disappear into a dictionary.
Hash automatic conversion. Return image path equals chart, PNG. Return image path equals chart1, PNG. Text content. Hash will not be automatically converted. Return image path equals chart, PNG. Hash manual conversion for nested use. Return image path equals chart, PNG, to image content.
This demonstrates automatic content type conversion with progressive enhancement for structured data. The pattern shows how FastMCP intelligently handles return values, converting simple types and media objects into appropriate MCP content blocks while preserving structured data capabilities. What makes this distinctive is the dual-mode output system that maintains backward compatibility while enabling modern structured data features. The system follows a hierarchical conversion approach where direct returns and lists trigger automatic content block generation, while nested structures require explicit conversion. Media helper classes like image abstract away base 64 encoding and MIME type handling, but only when returned at the top level or in lists. This design maintains simplicity for common cases while providing escape hatches for complex scenarios through manual conversion methods. This approach solves the challenge of evolving API requirements without breaking existing clients. Developers can return simple values for basic use cases or leverage structured outputs when needed, all through the same function interface. The trade-off is a slight learning curve around when manual conversion is required, but this is justified by the flexibility it provides for both simple and complex response patterns. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash automatic conversion. Return image path equals chart, PNG.
This demonstrates automatic type conversion for AI tool outputs. When returning an image object directly, FastMCP's framework automatically converts it to the appropriate image content format, eliminating manual conversion boilerplate. This pattern ensures clean, maintainable code when working with media outputs.
Return image path equals chart1, PNG. Text content.
This demonstrates automatic content type handling in return values. When returning a list containing both an image object and raw text, the framework automatically converts each element to its appropriate content type, enabling mixed media responses in a single return statement. This pattern is essential for tools that need to combine visual and textual outputs seamlessly.
Hash will not be automatically converted. Return image path equals chart, PNG.
This demonstrates automatic conversion limitations. When returning a dictionary containing an image object, the system won't recursively convert nested objects, requiring manual handling for complex structures. This pattern appears when you need to preserve object relationships while ensuring proper serialization.
Hash manual conversion for nested use. Return image path equals chart, PNG, to image content.
When returning complex structures like dictionaries, automatic image conversion fails. The toImage content method manually converts the image object to raw content, ensuring proper serialization in nested data structures. This pattern handles cases where automatic conversion can't traverse arbitrary object graphs. FastMCP content conversion pattern. The automatic conversion system bridges Python types and MCP protocol blocks, handling image, audio, and file objects seamlessly when returned directly or in lists, while requiring manual conversion for nested structures. Direct returns or list items convert automatically, but dictionary values need explicit to-image content, calls to avoid silent protocol failures. Design your return types to match the conversion rules, preferring simple structures for automatic handling.
The content that refuses to be named becomes universal, while the content that insists on its name remains bound.